Imagine if I told you that you can build a strong, lean, athletic body without joining a gym, without expensive machines, and without supplements, just using your own body weight. Sounds crazy, right?
What?
But here's the real problem. On YouTube, you'll find thousands of workout videos, yet almost none of them give beginners a clear roadmap. Some show random push-ups, some jump straight to muscle-ups, and beginners end up confused. Where should I start? What should I eat? When will I see results? After 3 or 4 days, motivation drops, and the journey ends. Today, I'm going to explain calisthenics from zero, what it is, why you should do it, how to start, what diet to follow, which myths to ignore, and a proper 30-day roadmap. If you follow this honestly, you won't just change your body, you'll change your discipline too. First, let's understand what calisthenics actually is. Simple. It's bodyweight training, where you use your own body as resistance to build strength. Basic movements include push-ups, pull-ups, dips, squats, and planks. As you progress, you can move to advanced skills like handstands, muscle-ups, and the human flag. So it's not just about building muscles, it's about learning to control your body. In some countries, everyone can't afford a gym membership. Good machines aren't available everywhere. But guess what? Every home has a floor. Most parks have bars. Even a door frame can work. That's why calisthenics is practical. Benefits. Benefit number 1, functional strength. When you do push-ups, it's not just your chest working. Your shoulders, triceps, and core are all engaged. Your body moves like a single unit, building real strength. Benefit number 2, strong core and better posture. Almost every bodyweight movement activates your core. This strengthens your lower back and improves posture. You stand taller and feel more stable. Benefit number 3, mobility and joint health. Deep squats and controlled movements keep your joints healthy and strong. It's not just about muscle size. Your movement should be smooth and controlled. Benefit number 4, fat loss and lean muscle. Exercises like jumps, squats, and burpees raise your heart rate, while pull-ups and push-ups build muscle. With the right diet, your body becomes lean and athletic. Myths. Let's clear some myths. Myth number 1, you can only build a body in the gym. Wrong. Calisthenics also uses progressive overload. Instead of adding weight, you make the movements harder. Myth number 2, exercise stops your height growth. Completely false. Proper training actually improves posture and strengthens your joints. Beginner plan. If you're a complete beginner, spend the first 7 days building the habit. Incline push-ups, 3 sets times 12 reps. Wall pull hold, 3 sets times 10 seconds. Knee push-ups, 3 sets times 10 reps. Air squats, 3 sets times 15 reps. Plank, 3 sets times 30 seconds. Focus only on form and consistency. 30-day roadmap. Phase 1, day 1 to 10. Goal, muscle activation and control. Incline push-ups, 3 times 12. Wall pull hold, 3 times 10 seconds. Knee push-ups, 3 times 10. Air squats, 3 times 15. Plank, 3 times 30 seconds. Move slowly and stay controlled. Phase 2, day 11 to 20. Goal, build foundation strength. Normal push-ups, 4 times 10. Australian pull-ups, 3 times 8. Jump squats, 3 times 12. Plank, shoulder taps, 3 times 10. Leg raises, 3 times 10. Your body will start adapting here. Phase 3, day 21 to 30. Goal, skill and endurance. Diamond push-ups, 4 times 10. Negative pull-ups, 3 times 5. Jump squats, 3 times 15. Hollow body hold, 3 times 20 seconds. Wall handstand hold, 3 times 30 seconds. Don't rush. Build strong basics first. Diet. Supplements are not necessary. Simple homemade food is enough. Morning, 1 glass of water, then a banana and 3 to 5 almonds. Workout for 30 to 40 minutes. After workout, rest. Breakfast, oatmeal with boiled eggs or soaked soybeans. Lunch, roti with dal or vegetables. Add salad. Evening snack, roasted chickpeas or peanuts. Dinner, 2 to 3 rotis with vegetables or rice and dal. Drink 2.5 to 4 liters of water daily and sleep 7 to 8 hours. Recovery is essential for progress. Common mistakes. Wrong form leads to risk of injury. Skipping rest leads to poor recovery. Ignoring diet leads to slow results. Expecting instant transformation leads to biggest mistake. Real body transformation takes time. But if you complete these 30 days honestly, you will definitely feel the difference. Ending. Remember, calisthenics is not just a workout. It's discipline. It's control. It's self-respect. Gym or no gym, if you stay consistent, you can become strong. Because real strength comes when you learn to control your own body weight.